Imagine this. Orders are coming in, but shipping? That's where everything starts to slow down. Tabs everywhere, different carrier sites, spreadsheets you don't even want to open anymore. Now imagine the opposite. One dashboard, everything in one place. Your orders, carriers, labels, and tracking, organized and easy to manage. With iSend, you choose what works best for every order, quickly and confidently. Less stress, more control, better decisions. That's the shift. And the best part? You can handle everything from managing orders to creating shipping labels, right from your own space with iSend. So what are you waiting for? Create your free account today. We'll show you how. Step 1. Go to the iSend website first. Head over to isend.com.au. Once you're on the homepage, go to the top section and click Create Your Free Account. Step 2. Fill out the sign-up form. Enter your details. Your name, email address, and business name. Then create your password and confirm it. Once everything is filled in, click Sign Up. And we will send an OTP to your selected email, or you can also sign up fast using your LinkedIn, Gmail, Facebook, or Twitter. Just choose the one that's most convenient for you. Step 3. Log in to your account. Once logged in, you'll be taken straight to your iSend dashboard. And that's it. Your iSend account is now ready. Pretty easy, right? You're now all set to start shipping smarter with isend.com.au.